in one kind word, and when being heard it fills the heart with an exaltation, and once that starts it may never, never part. 1,000 words may be worth less than a piece of advice that is wise, nice and helpful. People can use it as a tool to pool their strength to fight on. 1,000 prayers would not dare to match up to one of Buddha's words, true and tough, and enough to give the direction for people to use the right action. Oh, he who has won 1,000 battlefield fights is not as worthy as one who has the might to follow his noble plight and fight against the evils in his heart. No victory is greater than conquering over the devil. Angels revel and marvel at his mettle and bravery. Such a waste of time to worship thousands of times at the shrines of the gods. One would do better a lot if one sought for a school of thought and brought it to light just one time. Gods may hear, but they don't talk, while wise men never balk at talking to the needy. The counseling may set you free from anxiety and delusion. The big superstition, it shackles one's mind like being enslaved, and depraves it of the liberty to think free, to act free, to be free, and deprived of creativity. When one day of searching for ways to excellence through meditation in silence will excel all those years by far. What good is it to have lived for 1,000 of years in dreary bad health? It's better than any wealth to be healthy always. What good is it to have lived for 1,000 of years and stay clear of the outer world, have no concern for anybody, never be aware that the world is always changing rapidly? Be a part of that change at any range of motion, with no appreciation of the good